Hello, friends for YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use this oven on a Frigidaire stove. So first you go to custom preheat, then custom temp, and 350. You select 350 or more or less, and then press start. Cooking time set, and depends how many minutes or hours you need to cook, and then start, and that's it. We're gonna cook something for 20 minutes. So that's the way you use we're gonna make some muffins. That's the way you you start your oven on this Frigidaire stove. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please check my other videos and give me a like. Thank you.